Welcome to this exciting exploration of technology and its future in the next few decades. Today, we will take a closer look at some of the popular tech innovations of today and discuss how they will shape our lives in the future. Let's start with smartphones. These pocket-sized devices have already revolutionized the way we communicate, work, and access information. But imagine a future where smartphones become even more powerful. They will seamlessly integrate with our daily activities, acting as our personal assistants, health monitors, and much more. With advancements in AI and augmented reality, these devices will become our gateway to a world of limitless possibilities. Speaking of AI, its impact will continue to expand. We are already witnessing the rise of virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, but imagine having an AI companion that truly understands us and can anticipate our needs. In the future, AI will become more intelligent, capable of performing complex tasks, and even engaging in meaningful conversations. From personalized recommendations to managing our schedules, AI will be an indispensable part of our lives. Robotics is another area that holds immense potential. We are already seeing robots being used in industries like manufacturing and healthcare. In the future, robots will become more advanced, capable of performing complex tasks with precision and efficiency. They will work alongside humans in collaborative environments, enhancing productivity and safety. From assisting in surgeries to automating tedious tasks, robots will revolutionize various sectors and redefine the way we work. These are just a few glimpses into the future of technology. As we continue to push the boundaries of innovation, we must also consider the ethical implications and ensure that technology serves the greater good. The possibilities are limitless, and it is up to us to